I went out and did it. Went and got the Penn Authority. This thing is an absolute weapon. So we're just going to do a quick unbox. Not a bad looking box, just to say the least. Alright. Let's have a look. Have a look. A little bag for the reel, which is nice. Any sort of wetsuit material protection bag. Cool. This box and insert can be recycled. Well, there you go. Beautiful padding. Oh, look at that. IPX8, which means it can be underwater for half an hour, up to a metre. Salt water, double sealed, stainless steel pinion, gearing. Beautiful, even protective sheath on here. And it's got a slow riser on the line, so you get the lady out and the braid a lot tighter and get more on it. Can't wait to give that a go. 2 handles. Actually there's 1 handle, but there's 2 spins. This one is your standard big fish. Inshore off your boat. Nice, so you can swap that out. And looks like it comes with a spare carbon fibre drag washer, so not bad. 10-year guarantee. So you don't have an infinite switch or any reverse switch, it's just all sealed. Less moving parts, longer lasting I think, so going to match it up to, for now, the Penn Warhorse. It's a 10 to 15 class. Let's have a look. Oh, cool. So excited to get this out in the water and get some big kingies. I mean, you could work it off the beach for your Jew, sharks, everything you want to get there. Penn are usually renowned for their weightiness. Feels okay. This is the 7500 by the way. So up to 50 pound, it's rated, or recommended on here. And that will give you 440 yards, which is about 416 meters. That's plenty to chew. I'm going to start off with 40 pounds. It'll give me at least 500 meters of playtime. But that reel is silky smooth. Look at that. Nice drag. Yeah, beautiful. Tough as nails. Machined. So this is CNC machined. Pinion and gearing. Apparently they've got to keep replacing the CNC parts to keep up with making these, because it's not a standard in the industry to be making stainless steel, mostly brass pinion gear. So this is where it's a little bit more the authority. Flagship of Penn. So we've got to get out there and give it a go. Stay tuned.